Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the hybrid battery air filter in Toyota Prius. It's located right here underneath the back seat, and to remove the cover we'll need to use the Phillips screwdriver. Use a small screwdriver to pry it open, and then you'll be able to remove this cover. As you can see, this filter is quite dirty right now. That's why it needs to be replaced. This is how it looks. Lots and lots of dirt. The new filter gets installed exactly the same way, in the reverse order of removal. First, carefully secure it in place. And now you can reinstall the whole thing back. To avoid a situation where you end up with so much dirt in your filter, it's a good recommendation to vacuum the grill from here on a regular basis. This way you will avoid the accumulation of dirt, and it also is actually recommended by Toyota. Having this filter clean is very important, and this will actually prolong the lifespan of your hybrid battery. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.